Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trading session is Monday, March the 7th, and we decided to attack NVDA. So first things first, you see my account here. I'm in my margin account. Obviously I got to blur out my data so I don't violate my terms and services of my brokerage. So we attack NVIDIA. So let's have a look at it here. This is the box. Forgot to draw out the box. So let me just quickly draw the box out for you on here. So it was right around here. Let's get this box drawn out. So there's your box, or there's my box, sorry. And you'll see where NVIDIA opened up. You see the high of NVIDIA right here. And you see we don't trade in the box. But we know when it opens up above the box, if it doesn't open up strong, if I'm not looking at you as I'm talking, I'm looking at my screens over here. So we know basically when the video opens up, if it doesn't open up strong above the box, well, we're going to go long. But if it doesn't open up too strong, and I'm watching it here, I'm on a 1 minute chart, we know it's going to come busting back through this box right here. It's going to trade in this box, and then it's going to like tank, right? So I waited to take my position in NVIDIA. And as you see here, I got my mark of my low is 385. That's my alert to tell me when to get out if it hits that low. But as you can see here, it never did. So when I took my trade, you'll see here just how powerful and how much NVIDIA dropped to right now as I'm recording this video, we're at 217.57. You see my option over here, $6.15. You see how I'm looking at how well it's going, right? So I got out of this trade already. So let's go over here. Now this is pretty standard You guys know Double P, like I don't want to have to take a 15-20 minute video to describe what's going on. This is intraday momentum options scalping. This is it. This is the bread and butter. This is what we do at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. So first thing I'm going to show you is the email alert I sent out to my guys, just so you see. So that's the Platinum Traders real-time text alerts that you get when you join. So Monday, March 7th, I told my guys to buy the 11th, March 22 NVIDIA 215 strike puts. I got a block of what we paid for the limit orders because that's just our business and the amount of contracts. I bought 100 contracts, right? So you can do the math on that. I told them to look for a plus 30% profit, tight 10% stop loss, and they're in and out of this trade. Spoiler alert, you see what I made right there. I'm out at 10:30 in my position, $14,000 on NVIDIA 215 strike put. So you'll see here 952, 1030. So let's go over to, let's come back over here. So 952, 1030. Let's look at 952 just so that you see. 952 right here. So 952. As we're inside of this trading range here, we're inside of this no trade zone, but you can just look at the flow of the candles. You can look at the flow of what's going on with NVIDIA. You see the slope, you see the 200 flattening out. I'm in the trade. And then 1030, I'm out of the trade. So let's come over here to 1030, 1032, sorry. So 1032, beautiful trade right there. So at 9, let's come back over here. At 9:32, which would be right around here. So at 932 in on the option, right in this level right there. And then we rip at 1032, out at 1032. So what are we looking at here? We're looking roughly around 1032. We're at 578 and change for the option, which is fantastic. So that being said, that's the trade for today. Oh, sorry. I guess you want to see the real profit, right? So right out of the account, NVIDIA is dropping like a stone. It's taking a beating. $14,000. Don't steal my stuff and don't copy my stuff. So that's it in a nutshell from Double P. So if you like that information, somewhere in this video there's going to be a link to the site. Head on over to the site, smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button for Double P. I'd like to get some subscribers in here. Let's see what's going on here. We hit another low right here, as you can see, real-time trading. Hit another low. Probably going to challenge the low again, so this is like a triple bottom. So we're probably going to hit a little bit lower. Maybe we'll hit my 215 strike. Probably should have stayed in a little bit longer, but when you make that much money, you're in and you're out. You know what I mean? You don't push your luck, right? You give what the market gives you, right? So this is a beautiful down candle right there. Let's move this over to a 5-minute candle so it's a little bit cleaner for you guys so that you can see it. You can see the beautiful drop. You can see right here the 200 now is starting to slope it down a down angle. It's gonna, once that turns, the gate's gonna open and that's just gonna rip to the downside. All right, so that being said, Double P over and out. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.